Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing these MaxFire spark plug wires that I'm going to be putting on my 2005 Corvette, supercharged Corvette. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these bad boys unboxed. I'm going to also give you a brief review on how I have enjoyed these wires for the past roughly about 5 years since I've had them on my Corvette. And the reason I'm replacing them now is because I actually got one damaged wire when I was recently changing my spark plugs. I accidentally damaged one of the wires, so I just decided to go ahead and, buy another set. So one thing I will say about these wires and what I really do like is the little metal cover that it has over the spark plug wire at the bottom. This is the portion right here. This is the portion that is right by the headers on the LS engines. In particular, my car is pretty close to my headers. So I really like having this little cover, and this cover just pops off just so you can see here. Really like having that cover over there to kind of help protect from that heat, to protect the rubber and prolong the life of the spark plug wires themselves. Like I said, really easy to take these covers off and put them on. But overall, I've really enjoyed these wires for the past 5 or so years that I've had them on my Corvette. They've been doing really well, never ran into any issues with not having enough spark. But these are 8.5 millimeter wires. And like I said, never had any issues whatsoever with these wires. Other than the what I did on my past set, I accidentally damaged this clip here when I was taking it out. Don't know exactly how I did it, but I did damage that clip. Get all of them out here on the table here. So for those of you who do not know, on LS engines, they all have the same equal length spark plug wires. They're really simple to install. I'll do another video showing how to install these wires. Very simple process. Anyone who's worked on LS engines before or have ever changed the spark plug wires would know how easy it is to change the wires. Now, some configurations, depending on if you're turbo and how the turbo manifold is set up, it may be a little bit difficult to reach the wires in some applications, but for the most part, these are really easy to get to, really easy to change. You can change these wires in a matter of, less than 10 minutes. You can have all these wires changed on most vehicles, especially on a stock application. With that being said, if you decide to get these wires, you will not be disappointed. I'll have a link in the description down below so you can go and check these wires out if you want some more information on them, or if you have any questions about these wires or need any additional feedback from myself, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. I will also be doing another video after this video here to demonstrate how to install the heat sleeves on wires such as these, or even the stock configuration wires as well. So I'll be doing that video here, so keep on the lookout, and I'll be posting that video shortly. But like I said, any comments, any questions about these wires, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.